What if I told you your phone isn't just stealing your time, it's stealing your life? Every second you scroll is a second you'll never get back, and it only takes 118 seconds to take control back. This is not a motivational speech. This is a brain reset. Let's begin. You didn't choose to be addicted. Your brain was hijacked. Infinite scroll, like, comment, swipe, repeat. Your dopamine fried. Your attention span shattered. You can't read one page without reaching for your phone. That's not laziness. That's neurohijacking. You've been engineered to stay distracted. You check your phone 96 times a day. That's 6 hours a day. A full 10 years of your life gone. And what do you get in return? Anxiety, low focus, and a brain that forgets how to just be still. So here's your 118-second reset. Step 1, lock your phone. Step 2, put it in another room, far away. Step 3, sit, breathe, no music, no scrolling, just be. Let your mind detox. Let silence return. The brain begins to reboot in just 2 minutes of stillness. Neuroscience shows when we remove stimulation, our dopamine baseline resets. Within days, your focus improves. Within weeks, you regain control. You don't need a digital detox camp. You just need a few minutes of nothing. Try it. 118 seconds a day, no phone, no noise, just you and your mind. Most people won't do this, but those who do, they reclaim their attention. They break the loop. Are you one of them? If this hit you deep, don't just scroll. Comment, "I meant to commit." Like this video, so it reaches someone who needs it. And if you want more resets like this, subscribe right now. You're not alone in this.